In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cast your Android phone to your PC or your laptop. Why you want to do this? You might want to show your pictures on a bigger screen or to play some games. What you need to do is on your PC, go down to settings. Here we find the system option, click on that. Here click on projecting to this PC. It says some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC. When you says it's okay, I'm going to change it. Change it to available everywhere. Change that to first time only because it's a home network. You can also set a pin. Keep it remain the same. Now in your phone, go down to settings. Click on more connections. Here select wireless projection. Some phones have cast screen or screen mirror option in settings. When you scroll, you can also find them by scrolling them from the top. Wait for some time. It shows the name of your PC. Click on that. Now your phone is connecting to your PC. Everything that shows on in your phone shows into PC too. Please subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, then share it with your friends.